Hey everyone, it's Jeff.
And Manny.
And we're going to go over how to replace a UV light for the Laguna Pressure Flow 1000. And it's real simple. A lot of customers kind of call us and ask us, so we're going to go over that with you real quick. All right, so we're going to replace this UV light on this Laguna 1000. It's pretty much all the same for the 1000, 2000, 3000, and 4000 models. And so we'll show you how to do it. So the first thing we want to do is we got the transformer at the top, and there's going to be 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And man is going to take those screws out so we can access the bulb. A lot of people think you access it through the inside of the filter, but you don't. Okay, so we got the last screw loosened. So if you loosen them all, it should pull straight up. And what we got is we got the quartz sleeve that is attached, and the light bulb is inside. And what that does, it prevents the light bulb from getting wet. So what we want to do is take the quartz sleeve off by unscrewing that one screw there that's holding it together. Okay. And you have this little ring that you want to pull up and wiggle the quartz sleeve out. Okay. Now there should never be water in the quartz sleeve or in the bulb, but that is the UV light that needs to be placed about once a year. And it's simple, just taking that out, and this is kind of what it looks like inside. Should be nice and dry. It's got these little 2 clips and a couple 2 prongs here. So once you're ready to replace it with a new bulb, you never want to touch the new bulb with your fingers, because there's oils on your fingers that will burn the bulb out quicker. If you do touch it, make sure you wipe off all the oils that are maybe on the bulb. But go ahead and install the bulb back in. It should click in just like you hear it. And
obviously all the O-rings have to be.
Yeah, if you buy a service kit, it'll come with new O-rings that you can replace it with. But if you don't have a service kit, just clean those off, make sure they're nice and clean. Put them back into place, and you're gonna put that quartz sleeve all the way back down. Okay.
You gotta make sure this, or the screw that you took out, aligns back to this stop.
Okay. So once it's down and snug, go ahead and replace the screw that you took out. And what you want to do is,
there's another O-ring here. Almost forgot about that.
Yeah, there's another O-ring there. Make sure these O-rings don't fall out when you take it apart. And it's going to sit right back on top. Gently push down on it, and then go ahead and install the screws again. And try not to over tighten them, because you don't want to crack anything. So if you do use a power drill, set it for a real low setting. Otherwise, do it by hand. And that's it, guys. All right. Hope that helps. Yep. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you when you come in. Bye-bye.